Suppose V is a finite dimensional non-zero vector space over C and T is a linear transformation defined from vector space V to V is a linear transformation such that range of T equal to null space of T, then which of the following statement is false? We have to find false statement from among these. First option is the dimension of V is even. 0 is the only eigenvalue of T. Both 0 and 1 are eigenvalue of T. And last option is T square equal to 0. It means if anyhow we can write matrix representation of T square, then it will be a 0 matrix. Here it is given to us V is finite dimensional vector space, finite dimensional vector space. In short, I write FDV as finite dimensional vector space over C. Field is complex field and T is a linear transformation from V to V. It means both subspaces are same and it is necessary condition to form a linear transformation. Field must be same. Here field is complex field because this is over same vector space. There is no problem of field such that range of T is equal to null space of T, then which of the following statement is false? The dimension of V is even. First option is about the dimension of V. So if two sets are equal, then we can't say about their dimension. Dimension may be equal. Let us consider an example. R2 over R and C over R. These two subspaces are defined over the same field and both are vector space. This is generated by set 0 1 and 1 0, and this is generated by 1 and iota. These two are of same dimension 2. Dimension of this one is 2 and dimension of this one is 2, but both sets are different. If dimension are same, then we can't say about their sets. These sets are equal. But if they are subspaces, if they are subspaces of same vector space means field is same and all operation are same, means addition or multiplication, whatever the binary operation defined on this vector space, then and dimension is also same, then these two sets may be or might be equal. Now come to the point, dimension of V. Range space of T is equal to null space of T. Range space of T is equal to null space of T, and we know that dimension of V equal to dimension of range space of T, which is known as range, and dimension of null space is known as nullity, and range space of T equal to null space of T. So you can replace NT as a RT, means null space can be replaced by range space. So dimension of range space plus dimension of range space, this one equal to 2 times dimension of range space of T, and in left hand side dimension of V. So 2 is a factor, 2 is even factor, 2 is factor. So dimension of V is even. First option is true here. Now 0 is the only eigenvalue of t. Both 0 and 1 are eigenvalue of t, and option D is t square is equal to 0. Now three options we need to check which one is right or wrong. As first option is true here, so it is not our desire because we need to find wrong statements. How linear transformation T is defined? V to V such that range space of T equal to null space of T, and field is same and same vector space. So I make a statement or consider rank is equal to 1 and nullity is equal to 1. If I consider this case, then nilpotent operator, linear operator, or matrix representation of nilpotent linear transformation like this, having rank 1. Suppose this is a matrix M, rank of this matrix is 1 and nullity of this matrix M is equal to 1. Also range space and null space may be same. So M square is equal to 0, but M is not 0. M is not equal to 0 matrix, and M square is equal to 0. So this is also a true statement. Option D. Option D is true. Option A and D both are true. 0 is the only eigenvalue of T because this is a nilpotent matrix and its eigenvalues are only 0. Eigenvalues of nilpotent matrix is 0. So 0 is the only eigenvalue. It is true statement. Last left remain option is C. Both 0 and 1 are eigenvalue of T. So this statement is false. So C will be our right choice. Here, as condition range space of T is equal to null space of T, if you find range space of this matrix and null space of this, then it will be same because of their rank and nullity is same and defined over same vector space. So option C is our desired choice.